Okay, my boat has a transom mount, and this is a bow mount. So, Haswing offers a transom to bow mount adapter. So what's going to happen, I'm going to take these screws out here. This is going to bolt to the bottom of that plate of the trolling motor, and then you can mount it onto your regular transom mount. These run like $60, and this thing is actually not plastic. It is all aluminum, like a regular small outboard would have. Pure aluminum. And these are a lot like a small outboard would have. Even with a little holes drilled, so you can lock the position. You can put a lock through it and try to lock your motor to the transom. So let me go ahead and get these installed. Okay, so in order to use this transom to bow mount adapter, you have to purchase the quick release bracket, because this bracket and these two screw holes right here, they're going to line up with either that set or that set. Like I said, I want to keep the motor a little further back, I believe, so I'm going to, just so it clears my flotation pods, so I'm going to try on this setting first. If not, then I just do the quick release, move it, and just adjust the puck. They call this the little puck. So that's what that looks like. So that's what that looks like. So that's going to get mounted, and you put your quick release bracket over that, lock it in place. There you go. That's what she's going to look like so far. Good look at that. So you can mount this bow mount trolling motor on a transom. Pretty clever. Clever girl. Clever girl. Alright, I'm back, folks. What I did, I just ended up cutting down some screws. I had some longer screws that came with it that were meant for bolting the base to the actual boat, like if you had a front deck. So I cut these down. Got one started already right there. Let's get these other ones going. These other ones started. I'll put those 4 screws in and come right back. Alright, so here's the final product. Mounted. You like this little, do you like this custom piece of 2x, like a 2x8 cut down. The bracket. Go. Deploying. There you go. It comes with really nice high current connectors. Okay, it does a little beep action. What's it doing here? 2050, 100. Okay. I'll turn this on, hit the power button. Oh, there we go. And the unit just beeped. Turn the motor on. Go. A little faster. Again. It's going now. Nice and quiet. Next video will be on the water test. So that's going to be interesting. I've already downloaded the app. So we're going to play with that. We're going to play with the spot lock and see how good this thing performs on the water. Alright, till next time.